When you need roof replacement in Thornton, Colorado, choosing locally owned contractors makes all the difference. We understand Colorado's challenging climate and the specific requirements that protect front range homes. National chains use standardized approaches that don't account for local conditions. Our decades of experience with roof replacement in Adams County, Colorado communities taught us which materials and techniques provide superior long term performance. Local ownership creates accountability that extends far beyond project completion. We stake our reputation on every installation because our business depends on community referrals and satisfied neighbors. Your roof replacement represents a significant investment in your home's protection and value. Local contractors provide personalized attention, faster response times, and ongoing support that national companies simply cannot match. Colorado's intense weather patterns demand expertise that comes from years of local experience. We've learned which installation methods withstand hail damage, wind uplift, and extreme temperature variations. Community relationships enable us to work efficiently with local suppliers and building departments. These established connections streamline your project timeline and ensure compliance with municipal requirements. Don't trust your roof replacement in Adams County, Colorado to distant companies with no local accountability. Contact Columbine Roofing and Solar today for a free estimate to experience the difference that local ownership makes.